Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about the sample provided by Obee Odee. So thank you, Obee for the sample. So it's a nasal aspirator for children, toddlers. This is how it looks. Um, it has 6 levels, 6 different levels of suction. Here you can put more or less. And then also it has either a white noise or music. Here you turn it on and off. And here is going to you're going to see how much of battery it has. So you connect this like this. And then here on top, you're going to put the silicone tips, either a round tip for babies or a straight tip for children 3 years and more. So it says it here. It comes with instructions. It also comes with this, which is nasal cleaner. It's like a thong, and this is the cleaning filter. And it also has the charger. It has a charger, and it has the manual, which is pretty easy to use. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it and you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.